So here we have the Jaguar XKR. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we're going to hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, of course, you can see it's a two-door convertible. We're going to start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have those four tailpipes. We have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. At the minute, I've put the roof back up to show you the maximum amount of boot space. If you wish to have the roof down, you need to push this boot cover back to this position here. As you can see, even in that position, you still have plenty of boot space left. So we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see not only is it in great condition the whole way round, but it's a fantastic looking car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the steering wheel controls. On the left-hand side, we have stereo controls, and on the right-hand side, we have the cruise control for the car. The stereo itself is over in the center, which is what we'll move to next. So we're currently on the home screen, where you can see you have various options down that left-hand side. To access this home screen, you push this button here, and then it all becomes touchscreen. So for example, our audio options, you can see them on the screen now. If we press the home button, we'll go back to where we were just a moment ago, where you could access your climate control settings. You can change the direction the air is being distributed in. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can turn your heated seat on for driver and passenger from here as well. We do have manual settings for a lot of this, which we'll come to in just a moment. Back out to home screen again, that's where you'll pair your phone, and then we have navigation beneath that. So nice clear colour display, really easy system to use as well. And then again, back out to the home screen. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, we have parking sensors. We also have a visual guide to those sensors, as you can see just there on the front sensors. Working our way down from that, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo. You can access your different audio sources from here as well as on the screen. And then here are the kind of main controls, if you like, for your climate control. So you can adjust passenger temperature up and down. Same with the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from there as well. And you can access your heated front and rear screen. The air conditioning is turned on the main screen, but if you hit auto just here, the car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you, which you can hear it doing, and it does so to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, which again are visible on that main screen. We have some storage in here, as well as a 12-volt charging socket. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and the button to start and stop the engine. The last thing I wanted to talk about are the roof controls, of course, which are very important. I've put the roof back up again, but we have the roof controls here, so we can close the roof and open the roof, which I'm going to do now. Okay, so if we push the button to open the roof, you'll see first of all four windows will go down. The roof will then fold into that rear section that I showed you a moment ago. If you keep your finger on the button after the roof is closed, all of the windows will automatically go back up again. Otherwise, you can let go of the button now, and the operation is complete. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this stunning car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.